Hello, it is a question related to integral calculus. We have to evaluate a given integration. Let given integration be equal to I. Let I is equal to integration cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. To solve this, we will multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. So, because in denominator is 1 plus cos x, so we will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos x. So, this may be written as cos x divided by 1 plus cos x multiplied by 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So it will be equal to cos x minus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x dx. Now we know formula sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square x may be written as 1 minus cos square x may be written as sin square x. So we will use this formula here. So this may be written as cos x minus cos square x. In place of 1 minus cos square x, I am putting sin square x dx. So this can be written as integration cos x divided by sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x dx. So this can be written as integration of cos x divided by sin x into 1 divided by sin x. We have written as cos x upon sin square x in this way minus cos x divided by sin x whole square dx. Now we know cos x over sin x is equal to cot x and 1 upon sin x is equal to cosec x. So we will use these two formula now. So given integration may be written as I is equal to integration cot x into cosec x minus cot square x dx. Now we know cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. So cot square x may be written as cosec square x minus 1. So this may be written as integration of cosec x into cot x minus, in place of cot square x I am writing cosec square x minus 1 dx. So this may be written as integration of cosec x into cot x minus cosec square x plus 1 dx. Now we know integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to cos integration of cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x and plus c, and this is one formula, and second formula is integration of cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. So we will use these two formula now. So given integration may be written as I is equal to integration of cosec square x dx, and also we know integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. So we will use these three formulae. So this may be written as integration of cosec x into cot x dx minus integration of cosec square x dx plus integration of 1 dx. Now we know integration of cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. So this may be written as minus cosec x minus integration of cosec square x dx. This may be written as minus cot x plus c, because integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x plus c. So it will be minus ke cot x plus integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. So final answer is I is equal to minus cosec x plus cot x plus x minus cosec x plus cot x plus x plus c. This is the required answer. Thank you.